transportation. And there's another choo-choo train. Look at that one. That's a real live choo-choo train, not a toy. Right? And there's a canoe with a little kitty in it. I know. And there's a school bus. School bus, hopefully you'll never have to take that. We can just drive you. Because school buses are torture chambers. And there's a fire truck, a taxi, airplane. And look, there's a lion riding a motorcycle. What does a lion do? I know. You're a good voice. You listen very good.
Oh my God.